Let's learn about the human respiratory system. Let's label the respiratory system diagram step by step. First, we have the nose. Next is the nasal cavity. Below that is the pharynx. Then comes the larynx. Next, we see the trachea. The trachea divides into the right bronchus and left bronchus. Inside the lungs are smaller branches called bronchioles. At the ends are tiny air sacs called alveoli. We also label the right lung and left lung. At the bottom, we have the diaphragm. The cells of the body need energy for all their metabolic activities. Most of this energy is derived from chemical reactions, which can only take place in the presence of oxygen, O2. The main waste product of these reactions is carbon dioxide, CO2. The respiratory system provides the route by which the supply of oxygen present in the atmospheric air enters the body, and it provides the route of excretion for carbon dioxide. The condition of the atmospheric air entering the body varies considerably according to the external environment. Example, it may be dry, cold and contain dust particles, or it may be moist and hot. As the air breathed in moves through the air passages to reach the lungs, it is warmed or cooled to body temperature, moistened to become saturated with water vapor, and cleaned, as particles of dust stick to the mucus which coats the lining membrane. Blood provides the transport system for oxygen and carbon dioxide between the lungs and the cells of the body. Exchange of gases between the blood and the lungs is called external respiration, and that between the blood and the cells internal respiration. But have you ever wondered, how does oxygen from the air reach our body cells? And how is carbon dioxide removed from our body? Let's follow the journey of a breath of air, starting with the moment you inhale. Air enters the body through the nose and mouth, where it is filtered and warmed. Air then passes through the trachea and the two primary bronchi. These structures are held open by rings of cartilage. Each bronchus then branches many times into bronchioles, terminating at tiny air-filled sacs called alveoli. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The process involved in the exchange of these gases is called diffusion. How does diffusion occur? Carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Oxygen then moves from inside the alveoli across the walls and into the blood. This oxygen is used for respiration by the body's cells. Let's revise. Human respiratory system moves fresh air into the body while removing waste gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The alveoli are well adapted to carry out their job by having a thin, moist and large surface area. Warning disclaimer. This video is created for educational purposes only. The information provided is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please do not self-medicate. Always consult a qualified doctor or healthcare professional before starting or changing any medication. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.